Imagine waking up one day to find out your job has been replaced by AI. AI is already automating entire industries. While some people lose jobs, others are learning how to use AI to work smarter and earn more. So, the question is, will you get replaced, or will you adapt and thrive? Stick around because today I'm revealing the top AI tools that are taking over jobs and how you can use them to your advantage. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a freelancer, or just curious about the future of work, this video is for you. Let's start with an industry that's already feeling the AI shift: writing and copywriting. In 2025, AI writing tools have gotten so good that companies no longer need full-time writers for blogs, ad copy, or social media posts. But instead of losing money, you can make money by using AI the right way. Remember when Photoshop first came out? Designers thought their careers were over. But what happened? Photoshop became the industry standard. The same thing is happening with AI writing. The tools I'm about to show you, they're like Photoshop on steroids. I'm talking about ChatGPT-4 and Jasper AI. These tools can generate high-quality blog posts, product descriptions, and even full-length ebooks in minutes. And the craziest part? It's not just about speed. The quality is often better than what most human writers can produce. So where does this leave you? If you're a writer, you can use AI to speed up your work and take on more clients. Imagine 10xing your output overnight. That's the power of these tools. And if you're not a writer, that's even better. You can start an AI-powered writing agency today. Businesses are desperate for high-quality content, and you can be the one to provide it. It's like having a team of world-class writers at your fingertips 24/7. Let's say you want to create a blog post about the future of AI and digital marketing. All you have to do is open up ChatGPT-4 or Jasper AI and type in a simple prompt. Example AI prompt: write a compelling 500-word blog post about the future of AI in digital marketing. That's the power of AI writing. It's not about replacing human creativity, it's about amplifying it. Next up, let's talk about customer service. This is an industry that's already seeing massive disruption from AI. Have you ever chatted with customer support and realized you weren't talking to a real person? It's happening more and more often. AI chatbots like ChatGPT, Drift, and Intercom AI are handling customer inquiries 24/7, without needing a salary, coffee breaks, or sleep. For businesses, it's a no-brainer. They get to cut costs, improve response times, and even boost customer satisfaction. But here's how you flip the script and use this to your advantage. Businesses need people who know how to manage, customize, and set up these AI chatbots. AI is a tool. It needs a human touch to be truly effective. Someone needs to train these chatbots, make sure they're giving accurate information, and constantly optimize them for better performance. That's where you come in. You can become an AI chatbot consultant and help companies automate their customer service while getting paid thousands per project. Every business with an online presence needs some form of customer support. Imagine being able to walk into a company and say, "I can automate your entire customer service process and save you thousands of dollars every month." There are tons of resources available online to help you learn the ins and outs of AI chatbot management. So, if you're looking for a career that's both future-proof and in high demand, AI chatbot consulting is definitely worth checking out. Alright, let's talk video editing. Video is everywhere these days, right? From YouTube to TikTok to Instagram. If you're not creating video content, you're missing out. But the problem is, video editing can be time-consuming. AI-powered tools like Runway ML and Descript can now cut, edit, and even add effects to your videos automatically. Here's an example. Let's say you're editing a talking head video. Normally you'd have to spend hours cutting out awkward pauses, ums, and uhs. But with Descript, you can literally tell the AI to remove all filler words, and it does it instantly. You can use AI to automatically generate subtitles, remove background noise, and even clone your own voice. Imagine being able to create videos in multiple languages without having to hire voiceover artists. That's the power of AI video editing. So how can you profit from this? Well, for one, you can start a faceless YouTube channel and let AI do the heavy lifting. Simply upload your raw footage, and the AI will take care of the rest. This means you can scale a YouTube business faster than ever before. And if you're already a video editor, don't worry, you're not obsolete. You can become an AI video editing expert and command top dollar for your skills. It's like being a conductor of an orchestra. You're not playing every instrument, but you're directing the entire performance. Now, let's talk about design. specifically graphic design and content creation. For a long time, people thought this was one area where AI could never replace humans. AI tools like Canva AI, Midjourney, and Leonardo AI can now generate stunning images, logos, and marketing materials with a single prompt. And I'm not talking about generic cookie-cutter designs either. These are high-quality, original designs that can rival the work of professional designers. And the best part is, you don't need any design experience to use these tools. If you can type in a few keywords, you can create professional-looking designs in minutes. This is a game changer for businesses, marketers, and anyone who needs to create visual content. So how can you profit from this? Well, for starters, you can start selling AI-generated designs on platforms like Etsy, Fiverr, or Printify. There's a huge demand for affordable, high-quality designs, and you can be the one to provide them. And if you're already a designer, don't worry. You can use these AI tools to enhance your skills and offer even more value to your clients. Example, AI prompt. Generate a modern, futuristic logo for a tech startup in blue and silver tones. It's not about replacing human creativity, it's about augmenting it and making it more accessible to everyone. So, we've covered a lot of ground today. From writing and customer service to video editing and graphic design, it's clear that AI is already having a major impact on the job market. And the truth is, this is just the beginning. In the next few years, we're going to see AI become even more powerful and sophisticated. It's going to automate even more tasks, and it's going to create entirely new industries that we can't even imagine yet. So what does this mean for you? The future of work is going to be very different from the past. The jobs that are in high demand today might not even exist in 10 years. But here's the good news. The people who understand AI, who know how to use it effectively, and who can adapt to this rapidly changing landscape, those are the people who are going to thrive in the age of AI. So, how do you stay ahead of the curve? First, embrace lifelong learning. The world is changing faster than ever before, so you need to be constantly learning and upskilling. Second, become an expert in one or two areas. Don't try to be a jack of all trades. Third, develop your creativity and problem-solving skills. The future of work is here, and it's powered by AI. The question is, are you ready to adapt? So, there you have it. Those are just a few of the ways that AI is taking over jobs, and more importantly, how you can use these tools to your advantage. If this video helped you, don't keep it to yourself. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AI growth strategy. We've got a lot more to cover, and I don't want you to miss out. Thanks for watching.